Hello my slavies and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video, and guess what? It's how I achieved this high ponytail. This challenge have been going on Instagram by this wonderful lady who does locks, and her name is Hair by Rel. So I'm giving her credit because this bomb ass ponytail is sitting, honey. It's sitting. So if you guys want to see how I got this ponytail, then just keep on watching. This shit is motherfucking dry. I just came back from the gym. I already had my protein shake. I need to find something to eat now. But it's time to get this mess done. Like
2 hours later.
I did my hair December 31st, New Year's Eve. And today's January 18th. I'm actually twisting it earlier than expected because my hair is itching me like crazy. I go to the gym 4 times a week. I'm over it. So I'm about to do my hair. No special occasion this week, but I just want to look cute. Like I want to look cute. I want to go out. I want to have fun. So pretty much today we are doing a nice high ponytail, which is inspired by Hair by Rel on Instagram. She is freaking amazing. Like her styles is out of this world. So to wash my hair, I actually picked up the argan oil and the shampoo and the conditioner, and this shit smells so freaking good. I like this. I was looking for a shampoo and a conditioner that wasn't that was free of sulfates. That's like, you know, I don't want it to like dry out my hair. It does the job really well. So I like the shampoo and I like the conditioner. I am vouching for these 2 products. If you guys also have like another, I'm not big on hair products. You guys know me. I'm more big on makeup. But if you guys know of any hair products that I can try or use or review, let me know. Because I'm on a hunt for like a good ass hair shampoo. I haven't been taking care of my hair. I've been neglecting this shit. Like, that's bad. Like, it needs to color, but I'm not coloring it today. I was supposed to color it for New Year's, but I didn't get the chance to. Oh my god, look, I slept without a head tie and now I have lint everywhere. So we're going to wash it, and I'm also going to deep condition my hair today because it's been long overdue for a deep conditioning. So this is what I'm going to use is the cholesterol hair conditioning cream. I used to use this as well before I started using the wheat germ. It's by Queen Helene. And this shit works wonders. Like, this shit makes your hair, this make your hair extra soft. Like, it just conditions the hair. Extremely damaged hair. I wouldn't say my hair was damaged. Okay, a little bit. You guys may think we're damaged wear, which I just feel like my hair is like dry. It's not super duper dry. I've met people with dry, brittle locks, and that is like my pet peeve. My hair was dry and brittle when I first bleached my hair, and I was like, I'm never bleaching my hair again, and I am sticking to that. I'm not bleaching my hair anymore. But yeah, let me go wash my hair and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so my hair is officially washed, and I'm taking off the towel. And yo, my hair have gotten so long and I haven't really noticed it. Like, that's crazy. I still have some conditioner left over in my hair, but it's whatever. To grease my hair, I'm taking my Nature's Blessing grease, and I'm just gonna grease the whole damn thing. My hair is like super duper dry. Like, I don't know if it's genetics or if I got psoriasis, but I get dry scalp very, very quickly. So I like to make sure that my hair is moisturized and greased. So I'm just greasing now. I probably grease the oil like every other 2 days. Yeah, it's bad, but you know, when you have dry scalp, this is what you gotta do. And right now I'm just taking some olive oil, regular virgin olive oil, and also putting that in my scalp. I need to start putting some tea tree oil, so I heard that helps with the itchiness and dryness, but we're gonna see. So I'm just massaging that into my scalp and whatnot. I'm also gonna take some oil and rub that along my hair. Oh, look at that little short dread that I ain't finished repairing. And I'm just gonna rub the ends. I just want my hair to look so healthy and be healthy, but I'm so freaking lazy. But I'm trying. And right now I'm just gonna blow dry like the roots because I am getting ready to go out, and I want to make sure that my roots is dry. It's brick, like it's freezing in New York, and I don't want to go outside with a wet head. So I'm just trying to make sure my roots are dried, and then I'm going to start twisting. You guys already know how I start twisting. I already use, in my other video, I'm going to link it. I'm going to show y'all what I use to twist my hair. And right now I'm just going to twist and clip. Twist and clip. Listen, since I was in a rush, my hair didn't dry fully. Like, this is what kind of like destroyed the ponytail, but it still came out decent looking. But I think I'm going to redo it again today. But my hair was still damp at the roots. And I'm just going to put it into a ponytail. As I put it into a ponytail, I'm going to twist as I go along. So I'm going to twist and hold until I get all of my hair into this one ponytail. I do regret doing this today, but I actually wanted my hair done. I should have did it when I had the time to like let it air dry and also sleep with the clips, but it is what it is, whatever. And as you can see, like there's still some residue left over from twisting my hair. It's still not dry, but it's okay, it's alright. I would recommend doing this while your hair is fully dried. So let me tell y'all the dilemma. I started to put it towards the side, and then I realized like my whole head was shifting to the side because my locks was like super duper heavy. I put it to the side. I was not feeling how it looked. It didn't come out the way I expected it. So I ended up taking it out and redoing it and just putting it in the center. You're going to see the clips how it ended up looking to the side. It looked crazy. Like I was not going outside like that. But just watch and I'm going to show you guys what I was talking about. As you can see right here, that shit was looking crazy. I was like, oh, hell no. What I should have did was move it a little bit more towards the center, and then it would have looked cute as a side pony, but I just set up with the regular back pony or whatever. A little Kim K pony. I don't know. It's a very cute pony. So what I'm doing is just taking one lock and wrapping it around all the other dreads, and I'm wrapping that as tightly as possible. And to dress it up, I'm taking this, what is this called? It's like a little hair wrap thingy. And I'm just wrapping that around as well. I wanted it to be red, yellow, gold, but I only got, red, yellow, gold, no. Gold, red, and green, but I only ended up with the gold and the green. And yeah, this actually completes the look, so I'm just wrapping around this cute hair accessories. And that's going to be all for the ponytail. This was like so super duper easy. I would definitely do this again, but make sure my hair is dry next time. So yeah.